Hello everyone and welcome back to another tutorial where I'm going to show you how you can download and install the Doom Eternal game on your PC. So let's get started right away. First of all, open up the Steam application on your device and make sure that you are logged in using your email address and your password. After logging in, you will end up within the store page. Now from here, click on the search box and then type in Doom Eternal and begin your search. Once you find the game, just click on it and then provide your date of birth to proceed forward. You will now be taken into the game page where you can check the trailer and also the reviews. In order to install the game, just scroll down and click on Add to Cart for your desired version or edition. Now you can click on the View My Cart option and then click on Continue to Payment to choose your payment method. After selecting your method from the drop-down menu, continue ahead, and now you will need to provide your credentials. If you have chosen PayPal, for instance, just enter your PayPal account email address and your password, and once you are logged in, your payment will be verified. After verifying your payment, the game will then be added to your library, from which you can complete the installation with just a few clicks. And now you can start enjoying the Doom Eternal game on your PC right away. If you find this video helpful, don't forget to hit that like button and subscribe to our channel for more useful tips and tutorials. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you again in the next one.